Ever wondered how those magical lenses that let you see everything from your phone to the horizon are actually made? It all starts with a complex lens design, mapping out precise areas for distance, intermediate, and near vision correction. These zones are carefully calculated based on your individual prescription. Next, a lens blank, usually made of plastic or high-index material, is selected. This blank undergoes a process called surfacing, where a sophisticated computer-controlled generator precisely removes material to create the initial lens shape. The CNC machine uses the pre-calculated data to grind the curves into the lens, which form the basis of the progressive prescription. The machine slowly removes micro-layers of the lens material with great accuracy. Now comes polishing. The lens surface is polished using progressively finer abrasives to eliminate any imperfections and achieve optical clarity. After polishing, the lens receives special coatings. Anti-reflective coatings reduce glare, scratch-resistant coatings protect the lens from damage, and UV coatings block harmful rays. Rigorous quality control checks are performed at each stage to ensure the lens meets the required optical standards and prescription accuracy. Precision instruments measure the power and clarity of each lens. Finally, the lenses are etched to perfectly fit your chosen frames, ensuring a comfortable and visually optimized experience. It's then ready to be placed into the frame. And that's how progressive lenses are made, a fusion of precision engineering and optical science, giving you seamless vision at any distance, making your everyday life just a little bit clearer.